Compliance checks are evolving fast, making your MOT site's compliance more important than ever. The DVSA are now using off-site reviews, which are phone calls based on your site's testing practices to identify non-compliance. Instead of just inspecting your site during a visit, the DVSA now reviews your test logs remotely and calls you up asking questions like,
why are certain tests a lot shorter than your site average? Why does a specific tester always do the accelerometer brake test on their retest?
Did you do that?
Why is your fail rate on brakes so high and well above the national average every month?
Well, the thing with that...
Why are tests being done at the weekend when you have told us you're closed?
Yeah. As site manager, it's your responsibility to know what's going on your site. The DVSA do, so you should too. MOT Juice provides you with site test logs so you can see exactly what's going on your site and gives you all the information the DVSA have about your testing practices and will keep you one step ahead of the VE. Our new monthly series as part of the Site Manager CPD will cover how to use test logs, what specific issues a test log filter detects, why it matters, the impact on your site's compliance, what to look for, key indicators in your test logs, actions to take, practical steps to prevent issues. Sign up to gain the insights that you need to handle the DVSA's reviews confidently and help keep your site compliant. Test log filters for all the sites you want to keep.